Add depth and style with ease. Figma lets you apply and edit gradients in just a few clicks. Step 1. Select your object to start. Select the shape or layer you want to apply the gradient to. This could be a rectangle, circle, text, or any other vector object. Step 2. Open the fill settings. In the right-hand properties panel, look for the fill section. Step 3. Choose your gradient type. At the top of the color picker, click the drop-down that defaults to solid. You'll see several gradient types. Linear, a straight line transition between colors. Radial, colors radiate outward from a central point. Angular, colors blend around a circle, great for loading indicators. Diamond, colors radiate outward in a diamond shape. Pick the one that suits your design. Step 4. Customize gradient. Stops. Once a gradient type is selected, you'll see color stops appear on a line over your object. Click on a stop to change its color. Drag to reposition the stops. Add new stops by clicking on the gradient line. Delete stops by dragging them off the gradient line.